Hi, this is 2012 dash caravan. I'm gonna replace starter motor. So number one, take the battery negative terminal out. Now I'm gonna take the radiator fan out. Pull this. Okay. To pull this radiator fan, you just need to lift it up on the both sides. Put the hand and lift it up, and make sure you open this sensor. Just push the tab in here, pull it, it will come out. See the sensor out from here, and take these out. There's a push clip right here. Let's take it out one by one. Another one right here. And there's a connector for the fan. Take the connector out. So let me take the connector for the fan. Just pull this one. See this? To take the fan out, radiator fan out, you have to push this. You see this right here? Push this. At the same time, you have to pull it, so it will come up like this. The same thing other side. Just pull like this. Just push like this and pull it. So take this reservoir out. You don't need to do nothing, just pull it. When you pull it like this, it will come out. That was push it in here. You see the little slot, two slot right there. When you take the radiator connector out, you see this, you have to push it like this. Take the fan out. You see how I open this? Like this, pull it up from there. See, now I have all the room. The starter is basically it's right there under this. See the starter? See this? And the starter right there. Pull the starter out. I need to make a space to pull it out. So I need to take this motor mount, a couple bolt out. One bolt right here. Until 15 or 16. Either 115 or 16. From there. One on this side, you see this? One right there. And basically I have to take the 3 bolt out. These are 15 millimeter. You see this? You can open from the top. Need little extension. Same thing. The other side too. This one, or you don't have to open. If you cannot open this, just this, take this, and the other side. So after this 3 bolt out, you see this motor bond. I can really move anywhere I need. Be careful, don't break this. Or you can open this connector also. See, I have enough space. Now I can pull this starter out. The starter right here. Just 2 bolts. I need to take it off. These 2. This one. this one. I think these are 15. So for the starter, only two 16mm bolt. See this one is half out and the other one right here. So these two bolt only you have to open. And so after you open these two bolt right there, 16mm, then you take this 13 or 14, whatever you have. Then if you can take this out, just pull it out like this. It will come out. When you put it in, just push it in like that. Right here. See this? So pull all the way down like this and turn like that and pull it out that way. After that, just reverse removal. Just put it everything back. Cut this bolt and everything. Thank you very much. So when you put in the fan, just go angle like this. Just put it in. You figure out. Then it has to be this thing. It has to be sit on the group right here. See this? There's another one is in the bottom all the way. See all the way in the bottom. It's right here. It's right here. So it's supposed to be sit one in here. You see the little groove right here. See this right here, little groove. This will go right there. As well in the bottom one. There's another one in the bottom. Same like that. So it will go inside.